you know the most important thing every trader should have? In trading, you cannot get better unless you can reflect on your past mistakes. And how can you do that without having a properly set up trading journal? First things first, who am I? My name is Roderick Mack, and I'm the founder of Mack's Trading Family. It's a trading community which is just a formal way of saying I invest my time to help you become a profitable trader. My 3 years of trading experience has brought me to a 4, working on 5 now, streak of profitability. And given this is a YouTube channel and anybody can claim anything, you're more than welcome to join my Discord community for free, where you can follow and fact check me. My goal here is very basic, and it's just to give you all the tools to start trading, so that when you're ready to learn, improve, and level up, and get some hands-on guidance, and even join a community, then you can come to me. Now there are 4 major reasons why you need a trading journal. First things first, accountability. A journal forces you to evaluate your decisions and take responsibility for your trades. How far do you think you would get in your journey if you just went out there, traded, and then just worried about the next trade, and you didn't actually have anything to come back and look back on? Next, pattern recognition. Reviewing your journal can help identify patterns in your successes and mistakes. As retail traders, it's nothing but pattern recognition. Now, imagine being able to record all your trades and then realizing at the end of each month or trading year which patterns or which setups and trades are the best ones that are suited for you. This is why a trading journal is important, to have that ability to look back on. Then you have psychological insights, tracking emotions before, during, and after the trades are being placed, which actually will reveal how fear, greed, or overconfidence can impact your trades. Then last but not least, improvement. Improvement helps pinpoint specific areas to work on, such as sticking to your plan or managing risk better. Also, stick to the end, where I have a special surprise for you guys. Now you may be wondering what to include in your trading journal. Here I have a template to show you. First things first, here you just have your date. Time's not so much important, but you can go ahead and add that if you like. Next, you have your pair, your instrument you trade. Then you have buy or sell. Following that, I want you to list out if you had a perfect trade or not. What good is a trade if you know you didn't follow your process to a T? Then after that, you have your market structure. We're in a downtrend or an uptrend, or is the market moving sideways, consolidating? Then after that, you have a P&L or a challenge. If you were taking a challenge, just put challenge here, or abbreviate it to chow. It's not so much important to have the P&L here, because if anything, you should just have your percentage gain or loss. Then for your P&L, it's always important to keep track of your money coming in and out. Following that, you should have a win or loss column. And this is when it starts to get very important. In TradingView, it also has this cool function where in the top right, this little camera here, you can download image, or copy link. For this one, go ahead, just copy link so it can be nice and manageable. Put in here and just paste it. Then after that, you have reflection. Before, you heard me talk about your psychological insights, where you jot down before, during, and after how you're feeling during the trade. This is where you're gonna go ahead and list that. Do not hold back. List out everything you can in this area. This is what's gonna help you actually improve and get better. I'll tell you a story real quick. There was a couple hard weeks where I would just lose and lose. I had a couple wins in there, but nothing really consistent. And then I would look back at the end of each week and realize there was one outlier of really why I was losing every time. And it's because I kept trading counter trend. Now, I wouldn't have been able to identify and change this if I didn't have a journal like this here. That following week, it was very important, and I put it in my trading goal to make sure I do not take any trades that were counter trend. From then, I never really had a problem with it, and which overall resulted in me becoming a profitable trader. Now, just as important for you beginner traders, what good is a trading journal without a plan? And I'm not talking about your step-by-step plan. I'm talking more of a place where you can list out your rules. Now, there are 3 major reasons to have a trading plan. First things first, consistency. It helps you to stick to a plan and reduces emotional trading, and overall will help you build consistent habits. Second, you have clarity. A trading plan helps reduces guesswork, ensuring every trade has a purpose and aligns with your goals. Third, you have risk management. It sets predefined rules for how much you want to risk and when to exit trades, reducing the chance of major losses. Now you may be wondering what to exactly include in your trading plan. Here's just a quick little outline for you to get an idea. First things first, I have my major reminder here. This is to be patient. Always remember to be patient in your process and in your journey. Next, you just list out your pair, your time, which you come to the charts and exit the charts, and then also your session you trade. Then you have your risk to reward here, 1-to-1, 2-to-1, and then kind of what you do after that. So I personally would write 1-to-1, then after that, leave a runner. Then you have your trade limit and your loss limit and win limit. For your trade limit, how many trades do you take a day? 1 to 2. Then for your loss limit, for example, I take 2 losses in a row. I'm done for the day. Then your win limit. or after one win, I'm done for the day. Then you have your pre-open routine. What exactly do you do before you click buy or sell in the charts? Then you have your open and active routine. This is your strategy and your rules to stick by. Now previously you heard me talk about when I was struggling with counter trend. This is how your training journal and your training plan are going to go hand in hand. After each red week, 9 times out of 10, you're going to have some couple things you know you need to work on. So in your training plan, at the bottom or at the top, you need to go ahead and list that out here. This is going to be the most important thing on this plan, because this is what's going to ensure that you're improving and getting better, one step closer to becoming a profitable trader. Now, if you stayed this long, we have your bonus. So lucky for you, both these templates are actually going to be provided to you for free. So check the links in the description. Originally, I had them in my Discord, behind the paid wall, or in my course, but I decided to give them to you guys for free. Why not? I want to help everybody succeed and become better traders. So go ahead and check those out in the link in the description. If you want to dive into Forex trading for free, go ahead and check out my MTF Discord. I break down the basics so you can start trading and making money all from the free community. Now, when you're ready to level up, we got the Inner Family, where I'm actively trading 8 to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, give out the best advice for you to become profitable this year, and we have a blast while making money. If you want to get started, check the first link in the description now. My goal with MTF is very simple. It's to take 1,000 people, give them the skill to become profitable traders, and overall give them the opportunity to make their own future, whether that's become a full-time trader or trading as a side hustle. If you found this video very helpful, go ahead and check out this video right here, my aha moment and what overall made me a profitable trader.